Hi, fourth grade. Today we're going to do some rounding. So I'm going to draw the rounding roller coaster quick. There is a picture in Google Classroom if you want to have it up while you're doing your work. So remember, if we have a 1, a 2, a 3, or a 4, we stay. The number stays the same. If our number is a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we go up one number. We go up 1. So on your assignment today, it's going to tell you to round to different place values. So I'm just going to write 5,732. And I want you to round this to the nearest, let's say, 100. So I'm going to find my 100 spot, which is the 7. The 7 looks to his neighbor, the 3. And I look over here, and 3 says to say. So it's going to round to 5,700. So there's one example. Another example could be 27,109. Let's say I want to round it to the nearest 10,000 place. So the 2 is in my 10,000s place. I look to the 7. Well, 7 says to go up 1, so 27. Oops. 27 plus 1 more would give me 28. So my answer would round to 28,000. Now, if I remember, we had a hard time remembering that all the numbers after the one we're rounding in his neighbor turn all to 0. You don't keep them, they just all round to 0. Let's see if I can erase these and do a couple more. So I think this assignment's super short, and it's something we did in the beginning of the year, so hopefully you remember how to do it. So let's try an 8. Oops. Maybe. 853,071. And let's say I want to round it to the nearest 1,000. Now, the numbers in front stay, so my number is going to be 850 something. I'm going to look at the 0. Now, 0 I didn't put on here, but it would be on the side where we stay. So it would round to 5,000 or 853,000. And all my numbers behind the neighbor turn to 0. What if I had a number that was 72,999 and I wanted to round to the hundreds place? Well, the 9 would look to his neighbor, which is 9. 9's on the go up side, so I would have 72. Those numbers stay the same. 9 looks to the 9 and says go up 1. Well, 999 plus 1 would add. So now my number is 73,000. So that's how you round. So here I give you 4 examples, and if you go to Google Classroom, there's going to be a picture of the rounding roller coaster right here. Actually, it looks just like this. So they even have the directions, just like what I did, and it even looks the same as mine, except they didn't say stay the same. They said round down, which means stay the same. Round up means to go up one. So I'll talk to you guys later.